Hey, rolling?
We're ready, Dr. Ashton, whenever
cool.
you are.
Hey guys, so excited. It's my first snow up in here in New Jersey. Moving from Florida. I can't wait to use a ski erg.
Ashton, you do know that the ski erg is inside and it doesn't matter that it's snowing out here?
Oh, right.
All right, guys, as you can see, we have a perfectly set up ski setting here from Camelback Mountain, and the snow is not falling on us like Ashton thought it would be, but we're gonna show you how to use the ski erg properly. So Hannah, step over here a little bit to show. Now, one of the things with the ski erg is people don't realize it's just a deadlift with a flat back, but you're just moving your arms. So what we teach people to do is keep their arms up, pull down, and sit your hips back. Arms come up first, sit your hips back. A lot of people, one of the problems is as they pull down, they also round their back forward. I see this all the time. So it'll look like this. They're gonna pull their arms down and go all the way down and round their back. The problem with that is you're gonna load your spine, like we talk about all the time. This position is not a good position. So remember, it's just a deadlift. It's a pull down with a hip hinge. It's a pull down with a hip hinge. It's a pull down with a hip hinge, not a pull down with a rounded back. A pull down with a rounded back. So let me show you 3 or 4 reps in a row, what that'll look like. So arms up, hinge back. All right, guys, so that's how you use the ski erg. Remember, no rounded back, flat back, hips back, and you're gonna keep your back neutral so that you don't hurt yourself while doing it.